Welcome to all of you to this fourth edition of the LRE Forum. The idea of this morning was to bring our close partners and members here and to have interactive sessions and workshops where we can discuss our concrete projects, European members and the hiking trail, to get their ideas, to get their opinion about what we want to do, because all the work we do is collaborative. We want everyone to participate. This is not one thing we do ourselves, this is something we do together.
We are very glad here from the War Heritage Institute here in our site, Belgian Army Museum, that we can welcome all these partners and others here, and it has been very interesting so far from us this morning. Yeah.
The idea of getting a sort of an international perspective on the Second World War and creating it into a sort of hiking trail, I think is something really innovative.
To talk about how you build, how you shape memory. Ladies and gentlemen, Daniel Libeskind.
Liberation Road is so important because it is a physical place. It's not just something verbal that you can put on the internet. It is a trail, a space that is visceral, it's emotional, and it is historical. So let me say a few words about building memory and my experience of what it means, because I think giving a physical shape, even if it is a marker of a trail, even if it is a direction for people to follow, to be interested in, to be informed, I think has a tremendous sense of shaping how one understands the world, which is very complicated, and one has to navigate it in a way which makes sense. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's really inspiring to hear, for example, Daniel Libeskind about why he made the vectors. It's also really nice to meet everybody with such a broad perspective on remembrance.
I've met a lot of people very interested in this subject. It's nice to see everybody has a common interest, and that's the beauty of this exhibition, yes.
Education and handing over information about a crucial period of our history is essential, because if you don't know where you come from, you won't know where you're heading for. And that is why Liberation Road Europe is so very important.
Today we have 38 cultural routes that have been certified by the Council of Europe in various different fields like history, art, architecture, landscape, music and literature. And Liberation Route Europe is a newly certified route that we certified Council of Europe this year.